if you wish 100 gram thali, you can just clap for me. So how many of you know the menstruation or periods? How many boys has ever experienced a sanitary pad in a real life? They have seen, they have touched a sanitary pad in a real life. 8 to 10 people. What is menstrual cup? Any boy? Any boy? Okay, Preeta. How many know the word puberty? Puberty. It's good afternoon. So, sir, as you told that, sir said, when I planned this topic, I think 7, 8 days back, that time I was very happy that, in my mood, I was thinking that आज जाके just फाड़ देंगे. But today I am feeling very nervous. So, if you wish 100 gram thali, you can just clap for me. So today I am here to just say a story of one of my friend. His name is Mohit. So he is suffering from a disease. I will not say disease, but it's a bleeding disorder. The name of that bleeding disorder is hemophilia. You guys know about hemophilia? So because I am a wedding photographer and he is also a wedding photographer, so in the morning he was preparing for his breakfast because he has to go for a early morning a mehendi shoot. So he was in his kitchen, he was preparing his breakfast, so he got a normal cut on his finger. But he was in a very hurry, so he just decided he will use a piece of cloth in his finger and he will go for the shoot, he will leave the house. So, but because of that cut he had on his finger, the blood does not stop. So he changed that cloth again and again throughout the day. So you can just imagine the pain he felt that day. So, and if I tell all of you guys that you have to just bear that same pain for approx 4 to 5 days in a month, approx 450 times in your entire lifespan, or technically if I'll say that means half of your life you have to bear that pain. You can imagine, means a boy cannot feel that pain, but our girls are feeling that pain from last, means I think from the age of, sometimes the average age is called 12, but sometimes it happens at the age of 8, sometimes it happens into somebody at the age of 14 and 15. So how many of you know the menstruation or periods? I think 50% people know about those things. And now how many boys, I'm not asking from the girls, how many boys has ever experienced a sanitary pad in a real life? They have seen, they have touched a sanitary pad in a real life. Very few people. If I count, then it's approx 8 to 10 people. Okay, how many girls can give me the names of sanitary napkin brands? Five brands name. Except Stay Free and Whisper Choice Ultra. 5. एक करके. वंदना. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always is also a fit. Yeah. Okay. So we can see that this education and awareness we are lacking behind. I know that when I asked how many of you know the periods or menstruation, I think 30-40% people raise their hand. So I want to start this session from a very beginning, from a very basic level, and for that I want to ask you another question. How many know the word puberty? Puberty. So puberty means we both, means boy and girl, we both goes through puberty, because as he said, puberty happens in both gender, either it is boy or girl, but boy gets it approx 2 years later than the girls, but it happens in boy as well. And another question will arise that what are the signs of puberty? How will I notice that puberty has arrived into my life? Yeah, timing is that means that our body shows different types of behavior. Some changes are there internally, some changes are there externally. Yeah. So if I talk about the external thing that she told, that change in the voice, it is point number one. The beard and mustache start growing on male, the hair on their hand, hair on their leg. In men, hair on their chest and abdomen will start growing on. If I talk about the females, then the breast started growing in female, the hip size started developing in female. So these are few of the external changes. And if I talk about the internal changes, then due to the release of some hormones, in boys they experience their first ejaculation, and in female they experience their first periods. So the age of puberty is approx 12 years, but everyone's age, their body behavior, their everything is different. So some people will experience it as early as 8 years of age, some people will experience this as late as 15 years of age, but all that is totally normal. Lots of girl in starting, they feel when they first experience periods in their life, they think that okay, what happened to me, means they feel very angry, they feel very conscious about things. They thought that means maybe I got a blood cancer. What means why God has chosen me? Why only me? What I will tell to my parents? They will be very angry on me, or maybe so what my parents will do after my death, because in coming 3-4 days or coming 1-2 months I am going to die, because they don't have any knowledge about this, because no one has ever given this information before their first period. So I want to ask a simple question. How many, there are I think 40-50 girls over here, how many of you have no idea about periods before your first period? I think 50% people don't have any idea. So this is the level of education, this is the level of awareness we have in this modern era, you can say the urban city like Patna. Thing is that most of the people, most of the teacher which we have got in our schools, they are male, and male think that this is a problem of the woman, and who the hell I am to talk about the women's problem. They just come in the class, they skip, and at that time we are also not that much conscious, so we told okay, today we have got 2 days of chutti, just enjoy. So I think this is the main reason, and parents also think okay, somehow my children will know, and we are surviving in this world, so he or she will also survive. So periods or menstruation is a natural biological process in which blood and tissue from your uterus come out from your vagina. This usually happens once a month. The onset of menstrual period in girl is the body's way of preparing itself for a possible pregnancy. Hence, it is totally normal. Crystal clear about this word period. Am I right or wrong? Now everybody know the meaning of word periods. Yes or no? Yes. Means whatever the things a boy can do, a girl can also do. Am I right? Yes. But the thing a girl can do, a boy cannot do. Means a girl can give birth to a child, but a boy cannot do. There are few means examples like apavad, you can say, dunya mein due to because of surgery or something it happens, but in generally they cannot do. So this is the real strength of girl. So do you think our girls really need empowerment? I also don't think that our girls need empowerment, because means if I tell you that you have to just put a 1 kg or 2 kg of rock on your belly, on your stomach for 1 or 2 days, you will not do that. But you can just imagine that our mother, she has kept us continuous for 9 months. So I don't think that lady needs empowerment. We just have to give them our support. Means they have already empowered, like Hanumanji in means Ramayana, that he has very much capable of doing things, but he forgot. So there was Jamwant, he told that Hanuman, you have this much capacity, you can just fly, you can just pick up the entire rock, pick up the mountain. So we have to act like Jamwant, we have to memorize our girls that you have this much capacity. So our work is like that. Each woman is unique and so that the numbers can vary. There are over 355 million menstruating women and girls in India. 71% of girls in India reported having no knowledge, like we have seen today also. 70% of the women in India say that their family cannot afford to buy a sanitary napkin or sanitary pad. Only 30% women in India use sanitary pad during their periods. 40% of the government schools lack a separate functional toilet for girls. 23 million girls in India drop out of school annually because of menstruation, and who don't drop out usually miss up to 5 days of school every single month. Poor menstrual hygiene could be the reason of cervical cancer, reproductive tract infections, hepatitis B infections, urinary tract infections, and sometimes it also causes to death. Currently, some non-profit organizations like Goonj, like Jashri Industries, like Menstrupedia, like UNFPA India, like UNICEF India, WASH United India, and WSSCC. These are the some non-profit organizations are rigorously working for the better health management, the menstrual health management in India. So these are the few states. And the last one is the most common menstrual hygiene product in India is sanitary pad. Can anybody tell me that apart from the sanitary pad, what can we use in our periods? One. Menstrual cup. So can any boy can say, means any boy can just give me a simple information about the menstrual cup. What is menstrual cup? Any boy. Okay, Preeta.
So, as I have said, you on the level of the
Menstrual.
menstrual cup is a cup that girl insert in their vagina to stop the leakage of the blood that they get in their periods.
Okay, please clap for Mr. Preeta.